Welcome to LiveYards, the ultimate platform connecting you with quality used auto parts in real time. Whether you're a salvage yard looking to sell parts or a business consumer searching for the right part, LiveYards has the tools you need to make the process fast and efficient. Once logged in, you'll land on the live feed page. Here, you can see all the current part requests in real time. Each request shows the part details, how long ago the request was made, and the number of responses from other yards. You can also view a photo if the requester has uploaded one. As a salvage yard, you have two main actions for each request: need more info and price it. Use need more info to ask the requester a question before quoting. This ensures you have all the details needed to provide an accurate quote. Once ready, click Price It to submit your quote. Your response will then move to the Outbound Quotes tab, where you can monitor its status. The Outbound Quotes tab is your hub for managing all the quotes you've sent out. Here, you can view every price you've quoted, along with any additional comments you've included. Each quote is time-stamped, so you can easily keep track of when it was sent. The tab also allows you to monitor communication with potential buyers. While you can't initiate a chat directly from here, you'll notice a red Chat button next to a quote if a buyer is interested in discussing your offer. Simply click on this button to open a direct chat with the buyer, where you can finalize the details, negotiate, and ultimately close the sale. This feature keeps your interactions organized and ensures that you're always ready to respond when a buyer reaches out. Just remember, the chat option only appears once the buyer has shown interest by starting the conversation. The My Requests tab is your central hub for all the part requests you've made on LiveYards. Whether you're a business consumer or a salvage yard, on this tab, you'll see a list of all your requests, along with key details such as the time each request was made and the number of responses received. This is where you may encounter two types of interactions. Either a salvage yard is asking for more information before they can give you a price, or they've already provided a quote. Each request will have a blue Responses button, which shows how many salvage yards have replied with offers or additional information. When you click on the Responses button, it will take you to a detailed view where you can see all the responses to that specific request. You can sort these responses by price, location, or rating, making it easier to compare offers and choose the best option for your needs. Currently, there is a Spanish translation feature available, allowing you to translate messages or responses into Spanish. More languages and features are planned for future updates, making communication even smoother across different languages. After you've reviewed your responses and decided to make a deal with a particular salvage yard, head to the Make a Deal page. This is where you'll finalize the transaction with the yard you've chosen. Once you're satisfied with the agreement, you have the option to click on the Close Request button to close the deal and that specific request. After clicking Close Request, a confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to close the request with this yard. When you click Yes, it signifies that you've completed the deal and the request will be marked as closed. In addition to finalizing your deal on the Make a Deal page, you also have access to 3 important icons next to the name of the person you're dealing with at the salvage yard. First, you can directly call this person by clicking on the phone icon, allowing you to quickly connect if you need to discuss any details further. Second, the map icon gives you the ability to get directions to their location, making it easy for you to visit the yard if necessary. And third, you have the option to block or report this user by clicking on the block icon. This is helpful if you encounter any issues or want to ensure a safe and smooth transaction. These features are there to give you more control and convenience while making a deal. To leave a review for the salvage yard, return to the My Requests tab. Locate the completed request, and you'll see a Request Complete button. Click on Request Complete to begin the review process. This step is important as it allows you to rate your experience with the yard. Select the appropriate number of stars based on your experience, and if you have any additional feedback, type it into the review box. Once you're finished, click Request Complete again to submit your review. Providing honest feedback helps other users make informed decisions and encourages high-quality service. Your review not only reflects your experience, but also contributes to the overall community on LiveYards. Creating a request is easy. Simply hit the Create button at the bottom center of your screen, and the VIN scanner or Create icons will pop up. Once you're on the Create Request screen, you have two ways to make a request: using the VIN scanner or by manually entering the details. When you click on VIN, simply hold up your phone to the VIN or the tag you'd like to scan off the vehicle. Once scanned, it will automatically populate the year, make, model, and trim. Then just type in your request. Or you can use the microphone feature to speak your request. You also have the ability to take or upload a photo. Alternatively, you can skip the VIN scanner and manually enter the year, make, model, and optional trim. Once you're done, click Post, and your request will be live on the feed for salvage yards and recyclers to price and quote. Very simple, very easy. Customizing what appears in your live feed is key to managing your incoming requests effectively. In the settings under Fine Tune, you can select specific makes and models to see on your live feed. Start by choosing either the Import or Domestic tab, then click on the make of the vehicle. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select specific models. You have the option to check off to choose all models, or you can individually select specific models that are relevant to your inventory. Additionally, you can click the button on top to select all makes and models. But keep in mind that doing so may result in a high volume of requests, many of which might not pertain to your specific inventory or needs. This level of customization helps ensure that you're only seeing requests that are relevant to what you can supply, making your workflow more efficient and targeted. Another great feature on the LiveYards platform is the ability to filter what appears on your live feed by distance. This lets you control how far away requesters are from you. To adjust these settings, simply head over to your live feed settings and find the distance option. From there, use the slider to set the radius in miles. This allows you to see only the requests that fall within your chosen distance. Combined with the fine-tune settings, adjusting the distance ensures that your live feed shows exactly the requests you want to see, making it easier to focus on the ones that matter most to your business. LiveYards provides flexible options for managing your notifications and business hours, helping you stay in control of your workflow. Need a break from notifications? Simply toggle the mute button to pause alerts for 30 minutes, an hour, or longer. This feature is perfect for when you need to step away for lunch, take a break, or end your workday. In addition to managing notifications, you can also customize your business hours. Within the settings, set your business hours to determine when you want to receive requests and notifications. This ensures that you only get alerts during your operating hours, helping you maintain a work-life balance. Outside of these hours, any new requests or messages will be held until your next business day, so you won't miss anything important. Together, LiveYards works around your schedule, not the other way around. In addition to setting your business hours, the settings section in LiveYards is your go-to place for managing various aspects of your account and app experience. Profile management. In the Profile Management section, you can update or change your profile picture. Additionally, you can update your license number if you haven't done so already. However, you cannot change your name, address, or other locked information here. For changes to these details, please contact LiveYards support through our website's ticketing system. Keyword feature. The keyword feature allows you to quickly add specific makes and models to your live feed without going through the fine-tune section. Simply type in the make or model you're interested in, and it will automatically adjust your fine-tune settings to include these keywords. This feature is ideal for quickly adapting to changing inventory needs, ensuring you're always seeing the most relevant requests. User management. Under Manage Users, you can add or remove team members from your account. LiveYards allow you to include up to 2 additional users, making it easy to share responsibilities within your team. Fine-tune. As discussed earlier, the fine-tune section allows you to customize what appears in your live feed. Language setting. In the language settings, you can switch between English and Spanish, ensuring the app works in your preferred language. Generating reports, web app only. For more advanced insights, you can generate reports through the LiveYards web app or desktop version. These reports provide data on the most common vehicle makes and models being requested, helping you stay informed about trends in the market. Remember, this feature is only available on the desktop, not on mobile apps. Legal and feedback. In the legal section, you'll find all the terms and conditions governing the use of LiveYards. The feedback section allows you to leave comments or suggestions directly to the LiveYards team, helping us improve the app based on your input. Blocking users. If you encounter any users who are not following the guidelines, the settings section also allows you to block them. You can view and manage your blocked users list here, ensuring a safe and professional environment. Finally, at the bottom of the settings menu, you'll find options to delete your account or log out. These are straightforward but essential features for managing your account securely. Remember, for subscription management, detailed reports, and certain account settings, you'll need to access LiveYards web app or desktop version. We understand the importance of staying on top of every communication and response, especially when it comes to potential sales. To make sure you never miss a message, our app uses a simple and effective system: red notification dots. These red dots appear on various tabs, messages, and avatars throughout the app, guiding you to new or unread communications. Let's walk through how you can follow these dots to ensure you're always up to date. When you receive a response to one of your requests, a red dot will appear on the relevant tab, such as the live feed, Outbound Quotes, or My Requests. From there, simply follow the dots, clicking through each tab and section where a dot appears. The dots will lead you all the way to the specific message or response that needs your attention. By following these dots, you can easily track down any new offers, questions, or communications from LiveYards. This ensures that you don't miss out on any potential deals or important interactions. Remember, every red dot is a prompt to check in. Whether it's a new quote, a chat response, or an important notification, following the dots will keep you connected and informed throughout your LiveYards experience. Stay proactive, follow the dots, and ensure you're making the most of every opportunity on LiveYards. Join us now. The revolutionary way of finding used auto parts just got easier with LiveYards. We're excited to have you with us as we continue to grow and evolve. By joining LiveYards today, you're not just finding parts. You're becoming part of a community that's redefining the way we connect with used auto parts. We're here to make your experience seamless, efficient, and ever improving. LiveYards, where we're connecting people to used auto parts.